Block this year, listen up, because a glitch in the company's software has caused a delay in more than 600,000 refunds. Those impacted were the ones filed returns between February 14th and February 22nd. That included Form 8863. It's used to claim higher education credits. And if you're impacted, it may be weeks until you get your money. Jennifer Lukey joins us now live in the newsroom. And Jen, you've been speaking to some people who've been waiting for those refunds. I know I've gotten emails on Facebook about it. They're not getting a lot of answers either, are they?
No, Liz, they're really not. And that's what's causing this growing frustration. Many folks tell me that H&R Block hasn't reached out to them directly to explain the issue at all. They had no idea they wouldn't be getting their refund on the promised day until that day passed, and then weeks passed, and they still didn't have their cash.
It is very irritating.
For the past 15 years, Jennifer Maurer has had her taxes prepared at H&R Block. She's never had a problem until now.
On my return statement, it said that I would have my money direct deposited in my bank around February 17th or 2 business days thereafter.
When the money didn't show up, she called the IRS.
Your refund has went to the errors department and we can't give you any information. You'll be getting a letter from us.
Jennifer immediately called H&R Block to see what kind of error there could be.
I've called the local office, I've called the 1-800 HR Block number, and they just keep telling me that a district manager from my area will return my call. I still haven't gotten a call.
Turns out Jennifer is one of more than 600,000 people who filed for an education credit through H&R Block when the software it was using had a glitch. The problem has delayed her $6,500 refund by weeks.
Student loans are starting to come in. I have bills to pay, rent to pay, cars to pay, and no money to pay them.
In a statement on its website, H&R Block says, quote, "We appreciate that this issue may cause problems for our clients, and we are doing everything in our power to address the processing of these returns. We will continue to update clients as more information becomes available." But Jennifer wants more, starting with a refund of the $300 she paid in preparation fees.
Their guarantee on their website says if you're not completely satisfied, you don't pay us, and they will not say that they're going to give anybody back their filing fees.
Now, I reached out to H&R Block today to see whether they will be offering refunds on those preparation fees for the impacted folks. They did not return my calls, but you can bet I will stay on them. In the meantime, the IRS says normally when there's an issue like this, it can take up to 8 weeks to get it straightened out, but they're going to try and expedite review of the impacted returns and are hoping to get the cash to the people who are owed within 4 to 6 weeks. Jerry.